Here's a little tutorial on how to use docappender as a way to add a assignment output each day for your students with a simple form and collect the data on a single document for each student. So the first thing to do is to create a folder. I've created a folder called docappender. In there, I have created an assignment folder, and in the assignment folder, I have created, first of all, just one document, basically one document. I did some formatting on the document so that it was the way I wanted it. Then I made a copy of it multiple times and renamed it so that I ended up in the folder with and a document for each student. And then I created the actual form, and on the form, in my case, it's a pretty simple form. I just had a student multiple choice list and then a daily assignment list because we have a timestamp on here. And then I ran the docappender add-on. So docappender, first of all, has you find the folder. In this case, it's called assignments. And then docappender asks which question on your list, and I only had one multiple choice question, is going to be the question that will tell docappender which document to append this particular information on the form to. So in this case, I chose student, and it looked in the folder, found these three documents. So you can see in my folder, I've got those three documents. Docappender created that list, and it does create that list and updates it if it changes. And then the only other thing I've done is just have my daily assignment. So docappender has found the list, then we basically save and populate the question. And then the next phase of docappender is telling docappender what do you want to put on what do you want to append every time that form is submitted. And in my case, I don't need the student's name because that is going onto their assignment page. I wanted the timestamp and the daily assignment. And then there's multiple ways you can do this: separate bulleted lists, separate vertical tables, or rows in a single horizontal table. So I chose that. So now it's ready to go. So then I come over and actually, I'm going to just refresh this assignment. I'm going to choose John Lennon. Now notice I have the John Lennon assignment open, and I'm going to do John Lennon, and he's answering a question. Maybe I have it on the board every day. I think it is great. Hopefully your students are doing more than that, and I submit that. Now, as soon as I do that, in a moment, there is the timestamp, the daily assignment. Now, this made one table, so I could adjust that. Of course, this would be an assignment that you would then share with the students. Or actually, I guess they don't really need to see this. This is the assignment that you're going to do. But now watch what happens if I submit another response. And this is John again. I don't know. Okay, so that's his second assignment. Now notice that's going to add another row to our table. Notice this would be a daily thing. I'm doing this all at a timestamp. So that's basically how it works. Right now I have the Tim McLean and the Larry Jordan files there. So let me say let's do Larry Jordan, and I'm going to write some blah, 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 and submit. And you'll see right here, we're going to get a Larry Jordan submit. So in summary, docappender is an add-on that lets me build a very simple form, maybe a complex form, but in this case, a simple form. Students fill it out every day, answering a question in a folder in your drive, or documents that you own, that have all of the different daily assignments in one document on in your drive so that you can then go and be able to grade them.